Narration: Therapeutic Blue Topical Gel Dermatological Irritants-Counter-Irritant Formulations have various uses depending on the brand. Some are used to relieve minor muscle and joint pains, like arthritis, backache, and sprains. Others are used to help with itching and skin irritation from sunburn, insect bites, or minor scrapes. The main ingredient, menthol, acts as a counterirritant, making the skin feel cool and then warm. It's important to follow the recommended dosage and apply at the optimal timing for the best results. If you are using this medication without a prescription, make sure to carefully read and follow the directions on the product package. If you have any questions, it's best to consult your pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, be sure to use it exactly as directed. This medication is meant to be used only on the skin. Apply it to the affected area no more than 3 to 4 times a day. If you are using the cream, gel, or liquid form, make sure to rub it in gently and thoroughly. Some liquid forms may need to be shaken before use, so be sure to check the manufacturer's instructions for specific directions. Allow the medication to dry completely before letting anyone else touch the area. After applying the medication, be sure to wash your hands well unless you are using it to treat your hands. Avoid getting the medication in your eyes, nose, or mouth. If it does come into contact with these areas, be sure to flush with plenty of water. Do not apply this medication to serious burns or deep wounds, and avoid bandaging or tightly wrapping the affected area as this may increase the risk of side effects. You can cover the area loosely to protect your clothing. Heat can increase the risk of side effects, so it's best to avoid applying this medication right before, during, or after activities that increase skin temperature, such as bathing, swimming, or heavy exercise. Wait until your skin has cooled before applying the medication. Also, avoid using a sun lamp/tanning bed, hot water bottle, or heating pad/device on the treated area. Always check the ingredients on the label, even if you have used the product before, as the manufacturer may have changed the ingredients. Products with similar names may also contain different ingredients meant for different purposes, so read the label carefully to make sure you have the right product for you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your pharmacist. Lastly, if your condition lasts for more than 7 days, gets worse, or keeps returning, be sure to inform your doctor. And if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you experience redness, warmth, or irritation at the application site, it is important to inform your doctor or pharmacist. However, many people using this medication do not have serious side effects. If you experience blistering or swelling at the application site, increased or unusual pain, or a serious allergic reaction such as rash, itching, swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing, it is important to stop using the medication and seek medical attention immediately. It is important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, you should contact your doctor or pharmacist. Before using this therapeutic blue topical gel, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you are allergic to menthol or have any other allergies. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's essential to discuss this with your pharmacist for more details. Additionally, it is important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history before using this medication. If you are planning to have surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. For pregnant women, this medication should only be used when clearly needed, so it's crucial to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also unknown if this medication passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. When using therapeutic blue topical gel dermatological irritants-counter-irritant formulations, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of this medication. If this medication is ingested, it can be dangerous. If an individual has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the United States, residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can reach out to their provincial poison control center. It's important to act quickly to ensure proper care is provided. Make sure to continue using this medication as prescribed and keep all scheduled medical and lab appointments. It is important to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider to ensure the best results from this therapeutic blue topical gel. Your healthcare provider may also recommend a specific dosage and timing for application, so be sure to follow their guidance closely. If you have any concerns or questions about the use of this medication, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider for further clarification. If you forget to use this product on your regular schedule, use it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and use the next dose at the usual time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing your therapeutic blue topical gel dermatological irritants-counter-irritant formulations, it's important to keep them at room temperature. However, it's also crucial to note that different brands of this medication may have different storage needs, so be sure to check the product package for specific instructions or ask your pharmacist for guidance. And remember, always keep all medications away from children and pets to avoid any accidental ingestion. When it comes to getting rid of this product, make sure not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to dispose of it. In terms of dosage and timing, it's important to follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider or as indicated on the product packaging. This may vary depending on the specific condition being treated and the formulation of the medication. Be sure to take the medication as directed for the best results. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.